Welcome to the National Weather Service channel for Los Angeles County. Today, expect some showers and thunderstorms in the Santa Barbara, Ventura, San Luis Obispo, and Los Angeles counties. The Storm Prediction Center has issued a high risk of thunderstorms and tornadoes in the counties of Santa Barbara, Ventura, Los Angeles, and San Luis Obispo. Right now, in the city of San Luis Obispo, it is 54 degrees and mostly cloudy. In Santa Barbara, the temperature is 50 degrees with partly cloudy conditions. In Los Angeles, it is 60 degrees with cloudy conditions. In Thousand Oaks, the temperature is 53 degrees with cloudy conditions. New message from the National Weather Service, Los Angeles, Oxnard. Gale watch in effect from Friday morning through late Monday night. The National Weather Service in Los Angeles, Oxnard has issued a gale watch, which is in effect from Friday morning through late Monday night. Seas have subsided below 7 feet across the Pacific Stream this afternoon. A strong low-pressure system will pass north of the region Friday evening. Strong southerly winds are expected to develop Friday ahead of the low, with strong westerly winds behind the associated cold front passing during the evening hours. Sustained winds of 25 to 35 knots are possible, with frequent gusts to 40 knots even outside of thunderstorms. These winds will lead to extremely dangerous marine conditions. Precautionary preparedness actions. A gale watch is issued when the risk of gale force winds of 34 to 47 knots has significantly increased. But the specific timing and/or location is still uncertain. It is intended to provide additional lead time for mariners who may wish to consider altering their plans.
What's up, world? Yeah, you. I'm Travis Scott. This is my McDonald's order. Follow me. Here's my quarter pounder with lettuce, pickles, onions, ketchup, mustard, and bacon. Here's my fries. Sometimes I do this. Then I dip them into barbecue sauce.
Storm force low likely Saturday. A strong, developing storm force low moving up from the south will bring strong winds, high seas, and heavy rain for Southern California and outer coast. Confidence is increasing on the system passing inland near the southern tip of Baja California and moving northeastward. From this pattern, storm force winds are expected in the southern outer coast and in the Gulf of Santa Catalina. For the inner channels, 30 knot to gale force winds are expected to move into areas south of Sebastian Vizcaíno Bay. Wind direction will shift abruptly from southeasterly to westerly with the passing of this system. Wind gusts of 55 to 65 miles per hour over marine waters and some land areas are likely. Furthermore, rain rates look to maximize around 0.2 inches per hour in the initial frontal band, localized near Southern California. With the system passing inland around Baja California, there is expected to be additional cold air for the north half of California. At this time, median snow amounts are forecasted for much of Central California. If the system is stronger than expected, additional moisture will work its way northward, which will increase total rainfall accumulations. Similarly, and more likely, the system will weaken substantially upon moving inland, which will limit snowfall. Snowfall ranges are expected between 1 and 6 inches with local higher amounts. The situation remains in flux. Stay tuned to the National Weather Service for updates at weather.gov/Los Angeles or San Diego.
Hello, welcome back to Citizen News. Special weather statement issue for southwestern and southern California. Gale watch remains in effect until
Flash flood watch in effect from Friday evening through Saturday evening. The National Weather Service in Los Angeles Oxnard has issued a flash flood watch for portions of California, including the following areas: in southwestern California, Los Angeles, Ventura, Santa Barbara, San Luis Obispo, and Kern; in southeastern California, San Bernardino; in southern California, Riverside, Orange, Imperial, and San Diego. From Friday evening through Sunday evening, heavy rainfall will develop over portions of California. The heavy rains will see 1 to 2 inches with locally higher amounts, and then we'll see another 1 to 2 inches with the heavy rainfall associated with the storm system Friday evening through the overnight hours. Heavy rain in short periods of time will cause the potential for streams and creeks to quickly rise out of their banks, as well as the potential for flash flooding in areas of poor drainage.
Whopper, 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 Junior, Double, Triple, Whopper, Flame Grill taste this day. Lettuce, mayo, pickle, ketchup, it's okay if I don't want that impossible.
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 267 for portions of Southern California, southwestern California, effective this Friday evening from 8 p.m. until 10 a.m. PDT. Primary threats include scattered damaging wind gusts to 70 miles per hour possible, a tornado or two possible. Summary: numerous thunderstorms will continue developing over southern portion of California. Overnight, multicell and some marginal supercell structures are likely with damaging wind the main threat, and a tornado or two possible. The severe thunderstorm watch area is approximately along and 301.28 statute miles north and south of the Mexican border, northwest of San Simeon to Calexico, CA. For a complete depiction of the watch, see the associated watch outline update, Quo 37, Keck 62, KIG 78, Key 34, KWL 22, WNG 592, WNG 637, WNG 712, WWF 62, WWG 21, WXL 89, WXM 66, WZ 2505. Precautionary preparedness actions. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. Persons should be on the lookout for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Severe thunderstorms can and occasionally do produce tornadoes.
Subway open, they changed the fast food game. But sometimes you gotta refresh to be fresh. Walks, where there's so much new, some say you can't.
Gale warning remains in effect from 8:35 p.m. Friday to 5 a.m. PDT Saturday. Winds: northwest 15 to 25 knots with gusts to 30 knots by daybreak Saturday. Veering north to 35-knot gales with gusts to 45-knot gale Friday. North winds diminishing to 20 to 30 knots with gusts to 35-knot gales late Friday night. Waves 5 to 8 feet late Thursday night, building to 14 to 20 feet Friday. Subsiding to 8 to 12 feet late Friday night. Precautionary preparedness actions. A gale warning means winds of 34 to 47 knots are imminent or occurring. Operating a vessel in gale conditions requires experience and properly equipped vessels. It is highly recommended that mariners without the proper experience seek safe harbor prior to the onset of gale conditions.
Hey, I'm Matt, and a little thing I love about the Chick-fil-A chicken biscuit is the freshly baked, flaky, buttery biscuit. When I take a bite, it's kind of like, crispy, soft, crispy. Crispy outside, soft interior, crispy chicken. There's really nothing like it.
The National Weather Service has issued a tornado watch for a portion of California, effective this Friday night and Saturday morning from 11:30 p.m. until 11:35 a.m. PDT. Primary threats include a couple tornadoes possible, scattered damaging wind gusts to 70 miles per hour likely, isolated large hail events to 1.5 inches in diameter possible. Summary clusters of strong to severe thunderstorms will likely develop rapidly northeast across the Pacific region tonight. Scattered damaging winds are likely and a couple tornadic storms will be possible. The tornado watch area is approximately along and 301.28 statute miles east and west of a line from 55 miles northwest of San Simeon, California, 35 miles south of the Mexican border. For a complete depiction of the watch, see the associated watch outline update, KEC 62, KIG 78, Key 31, Key 34, KWL 22, Co 37, WNG 584, WNG 592, WNG 637, WNG 712, WWF 62, WWG 21, WXL 89, WXM 66, WZ2505. Precautionary preparedness actions. Remember, a tornado watch means conditions are favorable for tornadoes and severe thunderstorms in and close to the watch area. Persons in these areas should be on the lookout for threatening weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. The National Weather Service in Los Angeles, Oxnard, has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Los Angeles County in southwestern California, San Bernardino County in southeastern California, Orange County in southern California, until 5:45 a.m. PDT. At 2 a.m. PDT, a severe thunderstorm was located near Malibu, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roof, siding, and trees. The severe thunderstorm will be near Malibu at 2:05 a.m. PDT. Santa Monica around 2:15 p.m. PDT. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Long Beach and Los Angeles and Anaheim. Precautionary preparedness actions. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in Oxnard. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. The National Weather Service in Los Angeles, Oxnard, has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from the San Mateo Point to Huntington Beach out 20 nanometers. Waters from San Mateo Point to Huntington Beach from 20 to 60 nanometers. Until 5:50 a.m. PDT. At 2:01 a.m. PDT, severe thunderstorms capable of producing waterspouts were located along a line extending from the San Mateo Point, moving east at 20 knots. Hazard. Waterspouts and wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source. Radar indicated. Impact. Expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots. Suddenly higher waves. Frequent lightning. And heavy downpours. Waterspouts can quickly form and capsize boats, damage vessels, and create suddenly higher waves. Make sure all on board are in a secure location and wearing life jackets. Locations impacted include San Mateo Point, Malibu, Santa Monica, Los Angeles, El Segundo, Manhattan Beach, Redondo Beach, Torrance, Palos Verdes Estates, Rolling Hills Estates, Rolling Hills, Rancho Palos Verde, Long Beach, Seal Beach, Huntington Beach, and Newport Beach. Precautionary preparedness actions. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 a.m. PDT for California and the adjacent coastal waters. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 a.m. PDT for California and the adjacent coastal waters. The National Weather Service in Los Angeles, Oxnard, has issued a flash flood warning for southwestern Los Angeles County in southwestern California until 6 a.m. PDT. At 2:10 a.m. PDT, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2.5 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard. Flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source. Doppler radar. Impact. Flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Long Beach, Thousand Oaks, Malibu, Beverly Hills, Universal City, North Hollywood, Hollywood, Van Nuys, Burbank, Santa Monica, Culver City, Northridge, downtown Los Angeles, Inglewood, Calabasas, Anaheim, Seal Beach, Huntington Beach, and Santa Ana. Additional rainfall amounts up to 1 inch are possible in the warned area. Precautionary preparedness actions turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. The National Weather Service in Los Angeles, Oxnard, has issued a tornado warning for central Los Angeles County in southwestern California, eastern Ventura County in southwestern California, until 3 a.m. PDT. At 2:20 a.m. PDT, a confirmed tornado was located 7 miles east of Malibu, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard. Damaging tornado and golf ball size hail. Source. Radar indicated. Impact. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roof, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of Los Angeles and Ventura counties. Precautionary preparedness actions. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Storm warning in effect until noon PDT Monday. The National Weather Service in Los Angeles, Oxnard, has issued a storm warning, which is in effect until noon PDT Monday. The Gale warning is no longer in effect. Precautionary preparedness actions. A storm warning means winds of 48 to 63 knots are imminent or occurring. Recreational boaters should remain in port or take shelter until the winds and waves subside. Commercial vessels should prepare for very strong winds and dangerous sea conditions, and consider remaining in port or taking shelter in port until winds and waves subside. The National Weather Service in Los Angeles, Oxnard, has issued a flash flood warning for heavy rainfall in central Los Angeles County until 3:15 a.m. PDT. At 2:25 a.m. PDT, trained weather spotters reported heavy rain across the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. This is a flash flood emergency for Los Angeles. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Seek higher ground now. Hazard. Life-threatening flash flooding. Heavy rain producing flash flooding. Source. Trained spotters reported. Impact. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Seek higher ground now. Life-threatening flash flooding of low water crossings, small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Long Beach, Thousand Oaks, Malibu, Beverly Hills, Universal City, North Hollywood, Van Nuys, Burbank, Santa Monica, Culver City, Northridge, downtown Los Angeles, Inglewood, Woodland Hills, and South Los Angeles. Move to higher ground now. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation. Do not attempt to travel unless you are fleeing an area subject to flooding or under an evacuation order. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Stay away or be swept away. River banks and culverts can become unstable and unsafe. A tornado warning remains in effect until 3 a.m. PDT for central Los Angeles County. This is a tornado emergency for the warned area. At 2:30 a.m. PDT, National Weather Service meteorologists and storm spotters were tracking a large and extremely dangerous wedge tornado. This tornado was located 6 miles north of Los Angeles International Airport, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. The tornado will be near Culver City and Los Angeles by 2:40 a.m. PDT. Beverly Hills by 2:45 a.m. PDT. Anaheim and Santa Ana by 2:50 a.m. PDT. Huntington Beach by 2:55 a.m. PDT. Precautionary preparedness actions. A tornado warning means that a tornado is occurring or imminent. You should activate your tornado action plan and take protective action now. Significant damage has occurred with this significant tornado. This is an extremely dangerous and serious life-threatening situation. This storm is capable of producing strong to violent tornadoes. If you are in the path of this tornado, take cover immediately. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 a.m. Saturday for California. A dangerous storm is in your area. This is an official evacuation order from the National Weather Service, Los Angeles Oxnard. An extremely dangerous storm is occurring over Los Angeles County. If you are in the flash, flood, emergency, go to Highway 5 or 210. If you are in the tornado emergency area, go to Highway 710, then go to Highway 10. If you're in Orange County and in the tornado emergency, go to Highway 57 or 55. If you are in Highway 55, turn and go to Highway 90 and 91. If you are in Highway 57, go to Highway 60 and then 71. Evacuate the area now before everything becomes destroyed. If you are in downtown Los Angeles, go to Highway 10.